A for apple, apple means save. B for ball, ball means gain. C for camel, camel means ऊँट. D for dog, dog means kutta. E for engine means engine. F for fruits, fruits means phal. G for gift, gift means upahar. H for honey, honey means madhu. I for ice cream means ice cream. J for juice means juice. K for kite, kite means patang. L for laptop means laptop. M for money, money means rupiah. N for nose, nose means naak. O for owl, owl means ullu. P for peacock, peacock means more. Q for queen, queen means rani. R for rabbit, rabbit means khargosh. S for sunflower, sunflower means surajmukhi. T for tomato, tomato means tomato. U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata. V for van, van means gaadi. W for watermelon, watermelon means tarbooj. X for Xmas tree, Xmas tree. Y for yak means yak. Z for zebra means zebra. Thanks.